Hey, thanks for checking out my page again. I appreciate that very much. Y'all give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever. Comment if you don't mind. Check this video here out. Tell me what you think at the end. Thank you. Guys are headed in now to unload the barge. We got some trash from a previous job and the lumber we removed from this job we're working on now. We're gonna go ahead and come to the bridge here. Got the dump trailer here. Get everything loaded on here. Then head back over to the job and start driving in some Manta Ray Earth Anchors. This is the previous job we did probably about 13, 14 years ago. Still looking good.
Up front, right next to the first one we put in. Out. Down. Pick up a little bit. Down.
Here's the project we already got started on. We removed all the decking back here. The walls actually moved out a little bit. It's not one we did, but we're going ahead and adding some Manta Ray Earth Anchors back there to get the wall secured from moving any further. Add an additional whaler on it also because that whaler's kind of in bad shape. Give something for the washers to sit against, but so it'll end up being a triple whaler wall. Getting the Manta Rays installed over here right now. Once we get that all nice and secure, we're going to go back with a big boathouse right here on this side and with a boat lift in it. And on the other side, we're going to do a kayak lift. On the other side of that, we're going to do a little small 3,000 pound boat lift. So it'll be a nice little personal arena installed right here. Well, we're setting some 12-foot poles on the backside for this boardwalk. And there's another wood seawall, which I mentioned earlier, putting these Manta Rays in, so we're having to dodge that. So we're driving them through, cutting it through, but I like to go with a little bit longer pole because if you ever look at some seawalls with boardwalks on them, they typically bow down on the backside. The dirt settles, grabs up poles that are in there and pulls it down and causes a bowed section, which looks really bad. So I'm driving these babies down. We're not doing any jetting, we're driving them down 12 foot to support this walkway. We got the boathouse poles, 5 boathouse poles in a row over there. There's the 30 footers. Got them installed with a piling wrap on them. Then we're gonna go out from that and set some 35s, which are still laying on the barge in the deeper water out there. Jacob's getting ready to drive it down now. We got 2 guys sighting it, getting in line for where the whaler needs to go. The back whaler is going to be a rough cut 2x12 freshwater submersion board, so that we ain't got to worry about it rotting out if he wants to backfill it on the back. Hey guys, here's a project update on this. You see we got the boardwalk framed up. It's right at 5 foot covering the seawall here. It's not attached to the seawall, even though the seawall should remain in place. We put 13 more Manta Ray Earth Anchors in, 18 foot back behind the wall to help secure this wall. Guys, we finally got all the poles set for the boathouse, the boat lift, and the other little small 3,000 pound lift. So now we're pulling spuds up. We got a little bit of demo stuff on the barge to haul up to the ramp where we get loaded on the trailer. We'll be headed back over this way to get started on the boathouse roof and installing a 14,000 pound boat lift. Hey, we're getting the boathouse put up now. I got the bands on there. See that? Jacob over here cutting the boards. They're all getting them put in place right now. Get them notched in. We'll go back with some 3/4 bolts, galvanized bolts, hooking them up. Everything's notched in, so it's sitting in a nice, pretty notch. Hey guys, coming along real good on this project. See, we got the roof installed on there now. Got part of the lift put in. We're waiting on the other 2 lifts to show up from Golden Boat Lifts. We got a deck lift going in there for some paddle boards and kayaks, and we got another little small lift going on this one pole right here for like a little 15, 16 foot Boston whale or something like that. I'll check it out. Looks good. That prevents these new shingles from being peeled up during the wind. Putting a little tar underneath them, sealing them down to the even metal. Got our expert roofers on the roof. Took the old concrete walkway out. Going back with a wear deck walkway down here. All clean cuts up in here, nice and high collar ties so you can lift the boat up as high as you possibly can. Look at all the bird's mouth cuts and the notches, all perfect. Nice clean looking installation. 9-inch tip pilings. Guys, coming along real good on this project. See, we got the roof installed on there now. Got part of the lift put in. We're waiting on the other 2 lifts to show up from Golden Boat Lifts. We got a deck lift going in there for some paddle boards and kayaks, and we got another little small lift going on this one pole right here for like a little 15, 16 foot Boston whale or something like that. I'll check it out. Looks good. Hey guys, we're over here now getting both lifts installed. This is a 3,000 pound single pole elevator lift. He's gonna put a little Boston whaler on. Getting the 5,000 pound 4 piling lift installed over here now. We're gonna put a deck on that, and he's gonna put a couple kayaks on it. I'll check it out. Hector, say hola. Hola to my amigos in Cuba. Hey guys, we're getting this project finished up here now. Got the lift in, got a couple little minor adjustments to do. We're waiting on the electricians to get the electrical work done. Got the swim platform kayak lift installed down there and a 3,000 pound lift at the other end. Y'all check it out. I'll get out of the picture here and let y'all look at it. Thanks for following the page, and give me a subscribe and share if you don't mind. Nice little kayak platform there, or paddle boards. Get on that thing, lower yourself down the water, and take off. With a 3,000 pound single pole lift over here also. Work good for a little small whaler. Job turned out pretty good, nice and clean. Like I said, if y'all don't mind, give me a subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, comment if you got one. Y'all continue to watch. I'm gonna try to get more posted here as I get time. Hey guys, we're finishing this up now. You see the little details we've done to it now. We got a couple of the heavy duty bumpers put on, some piling caps, dressed it up real good. Still waiting on the lifts to come in for the 3,000 pound lift. We'll get that installed. And this deck lift over here too for the kayaks and all that. Got the ladder installed right here also, looks really good. The rest of the bumpers down the front. A little scaffolding take down. They're finishing up on the boat lift on the inside the boathouse right now, but that's just about completed as well. Turned out looking good. Did a little walkway up to the pool deck. Removed that old concrete that was separating and coming apart right there. Big old boathouse. Now it's time to move on to the next project. If y'all hadn't liked or subscribed to the page yet, if you would please do so. If you got a comment, leave me a comment in there. I'll try to get back to you. I appreciate it. Hey guys, here's the completed pictures of this job right here, a video of this job. Got it all installed, tied back to Seawall like I mentioned earlier. Put a new top cap on top of it, boathouse, boat lift, and a jet ski lift. You can see how we got the front of the boat lift decked out. I love that little V style with some boat stop bumper poles in there. Keeps your boat from coming forward when you're trying to get it set up in the lift. A little swim platform over there, and then also a step down. Well, actually that was not step down, it's a catwalk going alongside the boat for mooring larger boats. See here, we got a swim platform we made up here. This thing here is for going down, putting paddle boards in, kayaks in. You can even set a jet ski on it if you want to, or just get it down in the water and set a lounge chair on it and sit in the water. You've got deep water here and you don't really want to go to the bottom here. Jet ski lift over here. Some good heavy duty bumpers installed, piling caps on the poles. Sweep back over here, check it out. A ladder for getting in and out of the water if you need to. Like we always use, Golden Sea Drive boat lifts, the best in the business. We like to advertise our name as well, which is good. We appreciate Bill Golden and Ken over there, the team. They do a really good job. Every lift's got remote controls on it, gym remotes. It's turned out looking really good. Appreciate you guys for checking out the page. Please like, share, and subscribe if you would. I appreciate it. Pretty cool boat here. Most people probably haven't seen these boats, but it's come from up in Washington. That's it for this video. Appreciate you guys checking it out. Tell me what you think about it. Like and subscribe and share if you don't mind. Got the barge coming in. Let's see, where is it? Right over my shoulder, right there. Coming in to work on this project here. Then we're headed to Perdido Key. We got another marina to do out there, so we'll be working on that for probably a month or so. Maybe longer, hopefully not. So where are we headed to, Chief? Huh? Where you want to go? Go get a hamburger? We'll go get a treat? Go get a treat from Whataburger? New tractor security system. It's been working pretty good. Good job, guys. One of Gatlin's favorite games, kick the pine cone. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, Chief. Jealous? There's Ranger. He's our yard dog. He keeps everything protected out here. He's 7 years old, and there's Scout right there. He's 5. That's Chief's brother. Hey, Scout. Good boy.